Looks like an educational game for kids. Something soaked in. Lick it clean. Lubricant. 5 seconds. All characters are cute and two-headed. Feels like Wai Land overall. Users moved to the Super Famicom, got completely cut off. They fully shifted to younger kids. Opening it up. A bit rusty. Here, pick. Okay, mostly cleaned. Let's open this one too. The other one. The chip design is slightly different. It has a slit. The capacitor turned white. Heated up to 120 degrees Celsius. And in no time, the white stuff is gone. Isopropyl. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Doesn't look rusty at all. The 2 holes on the label. When applying the front label, if any air bubbles get trapped, they can be pushed out through those holes. That's just my theory. Let me know if you actually know why. To extend the life of the connector base, prevent this from happening, zombie body fluid. Tears of Gen Z. 1 drop as a secret ingredient. Smooth. UVA ultraviolet. The base is now stronger. Magic solution. Prolongs the life of the connector. 1991. Also protects the plastic. Rest until the next era.
Perfect body.